Buddy, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's a video.
Video.
What? Where's the video?
Video.
Yep. Oh, that's a video too. Yep. Same and different. You having a good day?
Yep.
What are you going to do today?
Church. Bank.
You went to the church and bank?
Bank. Money.
Oh, money at the bank. Cool.
Church.
And church. Did you have fun at church?
Or if you have to have fun at church.
Did you sing any songs?
Phone.
Like what?
Gloria.
Gloria. Great job, buddy. Nice work. Let's see. Did you drive a car or did you ride in a car?
Ride.
You rode, yeah. Oh, driving. No, you can't drive a car, silly.
Ride.
Yeah. Who drove the car?
Lotus and Terry and Greg.
Lois and Terry? Oh, yeah, you went with your aunt and uncle. Well, fun.
Yeah. Station and Eagle.
Yeah, Station Giant Eagle. You went a lot of places this morning.
For wash.
Car wash. Cool.
N is for neutral.
N is for neutral. That's right. Did you put your car in neutral?
Yes.
What's P for in a car? P is for
Park.
park, and D is for
Drive.
very good.
R is for reverse.
And R is for reverse. You're right. I bet you could drive if you tried, buddy. Maybe another day.
Another day.
How old are you?
Lois house.
No, I said how old are you?
22.
23. That's right. We smile.
Can you smile?
Smile. I love you.
I love you.
Bye, buddy. Can you wave? Say bye.
Goodbye.